Hey everyone, and welcome back to the PassFab channel. If your iPad is being managed or controlled by an organization like a school or a company, you've probably noticed restrictions on certain features and apps. This is due to remote management, also known as MDM profiles, which allow administrators to control device settings remotely. If you've left that organization and your device hasn't been released, it can be a serious headache. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to remove these restrictions and regain full control of your iPad. The first and most straightforward method is to contact the device administrator. If the organization is willing to help, they can either provide the necessary credentials or remove the device from their system directly. On your end, you can check if removal is possible by going into Settings, then General, and selecting VPN and Device Management. You can select Remove Management to free your device. Method 2. If you have administrative access yourself, you can use Apple Business Manager to release the device remotely. Simply log into the organization's Apple Business account on a computer, navigate to the list of devices, and select the iPad you want to unlock. From there, choose the option to remove or release the device, which will officially disconnect it from the organization's management system. If neither of those options is available, then try Method 3, Use PassFab iPhone Unlock. Start by downloading and installing the software on your computer, launch it, and on the home page, choose the option to bypass MDM. Connect your iPad using a USB cable, and once it's recognized, start the process. The device will go through a brief recovery phase and then reboot to the Hello setup screen, allowing you to set it up again. Before using this method, make sure you've backed up any important data. Also, once the device restarts, avoid signing back into the previous iCloud or corporate account, as that could reconnect the iPad to the organization and lock you out again. Instead, set it up as a new device using your own personal account, and that's it. Your iPad should now be free from remote management and ready for a fresh start. If this tutorial helped you regain control of your device, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more straightforward tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.